So yeah, I had some time in the snow to show you the steering wheel at works. This is called the steering wheel extension right here. You could find out more information on steeringwheelextension.com. I am 6'3" and I always had trouble reaching the steering wheel on most of my cars, and either the headroom wasn't enough or the steering wheel was too far out. So on this Lexus I got the factory steering wheel, and this factory steering wheel, I like the design, I like everything, I like the feel, and I wanted to telescope it out a little bit so that my legs would be a bit more straight and so that I would have more headroom. I took one of the handles here off, so because I was always hitting it with my head. It was like this one right here. So yeah, if you guys wanna have one of those steering wheels to be custom made for you, it's gonna be $1,000. If you're in Chicagoland, I could wire up for you all the electronics, airbag and everything. It's gonna cost an extra $400 for me to wire it up. You don't have to pay me to wire it up. I'm basically trying to sell just the steering wheel extension. The steering wheel extension could come out all the way up to here, or up to here, or anywhere you want. I mean, tell me how many inches you want to extend it, and I will extend it by that much. You could also adjust the steering wheel. There is adjusters here, which you could basically rotate the steering wheel, and it's gonna go in or go out. Also, it still has the telescopic function, so I can move it up like that. Basically, this is the position when I'm entering and exiting the car. So once I basically turn off the car, the steering wheel goes up, and I can enter and exit the vehicle. Each steering wheel extension is custom to a specific make and model of your car. For example, you can't really, I mean, each piece has to be custom made. You can't really do you can't do a mass production of steering wheel extensions, because each car requires its own adapters, extenders. Have to do lots of splinings, lots of cutting, so it's a time-consuming process. The material alone is going to be at least $300. The rest I'm charging for the labor, because it's going to take me all weekend to just build one. It takes a weekend to build one, but to gather all the parts needed takes a couple of weeks. So from the time you're gonna place the order to the time you're gonna get the item, it's gonna be at least a month or two. So this is the way how it looks from my eye point of view right here. So you can't really see that anything's been extended. You could still see everything clearly. The steering wheel is gonna be pretty much straight. If it's gonna be a bit to the left or to the right, it's gonna be just like by 1 millimeter, slight like left, or just like by 1 degree. I didn't really experience that issue yet. I mean, it's all pretty much straight, but the splines, there's usually like 28, 30, 35, 38, 40 splines. The more splines, the less chances your degree gonna vary for the steering wheel to be straight. So yeah. Again, this is not my full-time job to manufacture steering wheel extensions, but if any one of you if any one of you is tall enough like me, like 6'3" or more, I highly encourage you to get to order that steering wheel, because it's night and day difference. I had a couple of Mercedes S-classes. I had an Audi A8L with S-line seats, and a couple of Lincoln Town cars, Mercury Grand Marquis, Toyota 4Runner. I had Camrys, Honda CR-Vs. Pretty much I had and drove pretty much every car there is to drive, and this car is the most comfortable for me. This is a Lexus GX 470. It has the sunroof, but even though it has a sunroof, it still has plenty of headroom for me. And the seat is not really all the way down. It's kind of down, but not all the way down. So yeah. Again, steeringwheelextension.com. The cost of the steering wheel extension gonna be $1,000. There's nothing for you to weld. I already welded everything. There's nothing for you to cut, because I cut everything. For you just need to have a screwdriver and an impact wrench to basically to install a couple of sockets. Basically nothing special, you know, it's all bolt on. The extension gonna be bolt on extension. If you want me to wire up all the controls for the buttons, I can wire it up for you for $400, but you don't have to hire me. I mean, I have other things to do besides wiring up the airbag and the steering wheel controls. So yeah, I mean, you could find pretty much any local TV repair place that has a that basically guy knows how to solder, because the cables here are not are kind of too short. So for cables to be extended, you need to extend every single cable, and there is about 20 cables to extend. So yeah, so if you're willing to work on it, I mean, you're not gonna get it tomorrow, you know. If you order it today, you might get this extension in a couple of months, in a month, maybe in less time. Again, it all depends how busy I am with work. Again, this is like, I don't do it full time, I have other things to do, but yeah, I mean, again, steeringwheelextension.com. You're gonna be feeling comfortable. You can lay back on your seat this far out, and you're still gonna be able to reach the steering wheel.